Hello students! In this video, we are going to learn how to use the combination of go plus gerund. And we use this combination to describe activities. You can use the verb go plus a gerund. When we use go and gerund, it's to talk about outdoor activities. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, my father likes to go fishing on weekends. Go fishing explains this activity, this outdoor activity. Go fishing. Number 2, my brother enjoys going swimming on weekends. Going swimming is this activity that we are talking about. Number 3, my mother goes walking around a local park on weekends instead. Goes walking shows the outdoor activity that my mother likes to do. And number 4, those are not my favorite pastimes though. Going hiking or going camping is what I prefer to do on weekends. So you can see here we are using the combination go plus a gerund to talk about outdoor activities like go fishing, go swimming, go walking, go hiking, go camping. Okay, so we studied the examples. Now let's analyze this more. Look at number 1 again. My father likes to go fishing on weekends. Well, in this sentence, the verb is like. And after like, I can use the infinitive to go. Okay, so to go is the object of the verb like. Let's look at number 2. My brother enjoys going swimming on weekends. The verb here is enjoy. After the verb enjoy, we use a gerund. That's why we need to use going. And because go swimming is an activity, we use swimming as a gerund too. Number 3, my mother goes walking around a local park on weekends instead. Okay, so in number 3, the verb here is the verb go. Because we are using a third person singular in the present tense, we use goes. My mother goes. And after the verb go, we use a gerund because again, we are talking about an outdoor activity. Now let's look at number 4. Those are not my favorite pastimes though. Going hiking or going camping is what I prefer to do on weekends. Here, going hiking or going camping is the subject of my sentence. So we use going because remember this is my verb that I use with ing, but it's acting as a noun in my sentence. I need to use going because this is the action that starts the activity. And because I use go with a gerund to talk about some outdoor activity, I need to use ing and ing both because this is the subject form. Same here, going camping. Going is my verb that I use as the gerund, and camping is the activity that comes with this verb. So let's review. What have we learned so far? Go and gerund is to talk about outdoor activities. So we can use the verb go with a gerund, or we can use another verb and then go plus a gerund. But be careful because depending on the verb, sometimes go is an infinitive like to go, because my verb is like, and after like I use the infinitive. But depending on the verb, sometimes go is a gerund. For example, if you're using the verb enjoy, after enjoy, I need to use a gerund. So I will use going plus then the activity in gerund form. Here's an example. If my activity is dancing and I use the verb like, I can say I like to go dancing. In the second example, the same activity, because I now use the verb enjoy, I use I enjoy going dancing. This gerund is because it's the object of this verb here. And this is the activity for this combination. So that's why we use ing here and ing here. But it's really important that you remember Doesn't matter where you are using go plus gerund. If you are talking about an outdoor activity, you must use go plus gerund form. If you do use the verb go plus a gerund, remember that you can use this with any verb tense that you want. For example, you can say, I went hiking last week. Go in the past is went. I went hiking last week. My friends are going to go camping next summer. Are going to go camping. Are going to is the future, and then go is my verb plus then the gerund form to show this activity. Paco usually goes dancing on Tuesday nights. Usually goes dancing, here I'm using the simple present to talk about a common activity for this person. Please be careful when you are using the future tense, be going to. Be going to, you see going, so it might be confusing for you. Please don't get confused. Be going to and then a verb is how we show the future tense. For example, here, my friends are going to, and then my verb here is go, are going to go camping, are going to go swimming, are going to go dancing. So this can be confusing. Make a note of this difference between them. Do you have any questions after watching this video? Please bring them to class or email me so I can help you. Thanks for watching.